Hello all, welcome to Build Habit session of day 5 with English Mirror. So today what you have to do is you have to do a task, that is you have to read a newspaper, or you can read a book, or you can read an article as you wish, and you have to read it in what manner. You have to read it aloud. Okay, you have to read it aloud. You can record your voice clips, or you can what look into the mirror and tell. You can see how you are pronouncing and how you are expressing the conditions or the situation or the context, how you are explaining. You can listen to that, and you have to do this very necessarily. You have to do this. You have to read a piece of paper. It can be a newspaper, it can be a storybook, it can be an article, anything you can take as reference. Okay, you should do, and if any doubts comes, you can ask your trainer and get it clarified. Now I'll be giving you another set of words which includes adjectives and verbs on. So first word for you is efficient, and the meaning of the word is achieving maximum productivity with minimum wasted effort. And the similar words are productive, effective, organized manner, efficient manner, organized manner, very what productive manner. And examples are: the team found an efficient way to complete the project on time. The team has found a very good way or a very efficient way to complete the tasks. Now the next example is: he is very efficient at managing his daily tasks. He is very good. That is what in short we can tell. He is very efficient, he is very effective, he is very organized in managing his daily tasks. Now the next one is optimistic. Optimistic, that means hopeful and confident about the future. Hopeful and confident about the future. And the similar words are hopeful, positive, confident. Now look at the examples and we'll explain it with that. Priya always stays optimistic even during the tough times. When Priya is hit with a difficult time or a tough time, she stayed positive. She was very positive. She looked into the future actions, or she planned how future actions should be to get a good future life. And the next example is: it's important to be optimistic about achieving your goals. We have to be positive and think in a good way only, then only we'll be able to achieve our goals. Now the next word is offend. Offend, that means to cause someone to feel upset, hurt, or insulted. And the synonymous words include insult, disrespect, annoy. Now we look into examples and we'll explain. His comment about her work offended her deeply. That is, some comment by someone made her fall into some depression, or some uh, her mind was disturbed. I didn't mean to offend you with my words. One person is telling to another girl or boy that I didn't try to insult you. Next example: she felt offended by the rude remarks during the meeting. One girl in her team meeting felt so much insulted by hearing a remark from another person. Now the next usage is that works. Used to show agreement that a plan or suggestion is acceptable. That works means, yeah, that plan or suggestion is acceptable, that we can take it, it is acceptable in such a situation. You can tell like that works. Example: Neha says, how about we meet at 7 p.m. Neha is asking Karan, how about, what is your opinion about a meetup at 7 p.m.? And Karan is replying, that works for me. Yeah, that will work for me. I can come to the meeting. Next sentence is: we can start the meeting at 10 a.m. We can start the meeting at 10 a.m. And another person is telling same like what I explained the earlier. That works, I'll be there. That works, I'll be there. Now the next usage is got it. Got it is used to indicate that you understand or acknowledge something. Got it, when we use it when someone is telling something to us, and we can, after understanding, we can tell, yeah, I got it. That is, I got what you told, or I got your idea. For example, Neha, please send me the report by 3 p.m. Neha is telling to Karan that you should send, or you have to send the report by 3 p.m. And Karan is telling, yes, I got it. I got what you told me. Next sentence, remember to bring your ID card to the meeting. And the other person is telling, got it, I won't forget. One principal or teacher, they will be telling to us usually, right? You have to bring your ID card when you come for the meeting. And as students will tell, got it, I won't forget, madam. Like that we'll be telling, right? That is it. Now another word is adorable. Adorable, that is an adjective, and the meaning is something or someone that is very cute, lovable, or endearing. And similar words are charming, cute, delightful. Adorable means something very cute, something very sweet in appearance. Examples are, the puppy was so adorable that everyone wanted to pet it. For example, if I will tell this with an example. Whenever we are going to a shopping mall or a park, we'll be seeing a pet there. Okay, a very nice, very hairy breed we are seeing there, hairy breed dog we are seeing there. And what will we think? Even though if we are not having any dogs at home, we'll think, oh, if I get that, I can take some pics with them. I can what always stay with them, like that you will be thinking. Everyone will be thinking. That is the situation. Next example is, she wore an adorable dress for the party and everyone complimented her. One girl wore a very beautiful dress in the party and everyone commented, gave good comments for her dress. And the last sentence is, his adorable smile brightens the world, brightens the whole room. His adorable smile, that is, if a baby is sitting there and laughing at the people in the family, that whole family or the whole members in the family, all the members in the family will start laughing. That automatically it will come to our what behavior. That is the thing, because the baby is so adorable. That is the reason. Vocabulary activity for you. You have to construct sentences using each words given here. Already you know the meaning of the words, its pronunciation, everything you know it very clearly. If you have any doubt, you can go back to your notes and refer it and come back and do this activity. That is, with each words you have to construct sentences and record it as audio as well as write it also, and you have to send it to your personal trainer and get it corrected at the earliest. Don't miss this task also. It's very useful for the improvement. Okay, today you have a calling activity and the topic is my family. What you have to do is you have to confirm every time with your personal trainer and talk to them at least for 5 minutes. So regarding the topic my family, you have to describe about your family members and their roles in your life as well as in the family itself. You can talk about some memorable moments with your family, in your personal space inside the family, any remarkable moments or any influences that family members made in your life, all those things that you can mention. Okay, even if it is silly or some serious thing, you can mention it, no problem. Okay, you can converse with your trainer at least for 5 minutes and make it useful for you. Okay, don't miss out this task, make it useful at the earliest. Okay.